Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change keyboard on your Nothing Phone 3 Lite smartphone. First of all, open the settings application on your smartphone, then navigate all the way down to the system section and open it. Select keyboard, then select on-screen keyboard, and here you can select any available keyboard. In my case, I only have Gboard and Google Voice Typing, but besides, let's also check the settings for the Gboard. Here we can change the languages list, for example, remove languages that we don't need and add new ones from the list. As you can see, it's a huge list actually. For example, Deutschland. You can enable or disable many multilingual typing and tap done. Besides, we can change preferences for the keyboard as font size, emoji key, and number for password. There is a lot to actually tell you about it. There's actually a lot, but all of these settings are pretty obvious. You can also change the theme of your keyboard, setting a different color to it and watching it on a preview. You can also download some custom themes for your keyboard. You can adjust corrections and suggestions. You can use Lite typing if you want to. This way you will be able to type a word without actually tapping the letters, but using your finger to slide through them to type a word, and then AI will detect what word you were trying to type. You can enable or disable voice typing. You can adjust emojis, stickers, and GIFs. I don't know. I still don't know if it's pronounced GIFs or GIFs. I say GIFs. And that's basically it. And now, if you want to have a different keyboard than Gboard, then you're gonna have to go to the Play Store and download some custom keyboard. For example, we have SwiftKey keyboard, one of the popular ones from Microsoft. Once you download, you can open it, and right now we can enable Microsoft Swift keyboard. Then try it. Okay. And right now here we can change the SwiftKey settings too, just like we did with the Google keyboard. So now we can disable Google Gboard, for example, and you only use Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard instead. And so basically that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.